भाई आपका दिमाग बहुत अच्छा है, थैंक यू सो मच मेरे भाई। अच्छा क्या फायदा है? इतना मतलब क्या होता है भाई? भाई पैसे आप भाई साइड ऐसा ही बनेगा तो थोड़ा सा वाइट आप लाइव भी सीख सकते हैं, सारी चीज़ें बहुत आराम से सीख सकते हैं। आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, 2 महीने में आते हैं, ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। अगर इस तरीके से रिवर्स करके फिर से नई एंट्री आती है तो आप लोग प्लान कर लो। देखिए स्टाइल को करके कर सकते हैं तो मेरे भाई बढ़िया ही है। आपको कौन सा भी होना चाहिए अपना देखो। ये अभी नहीं है, थोड़ा सा नीचे अब रहेगा, मार्केट काम बढ़िया चलेगी। इसने इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया, सब लोग दबा दो बटन एक बार इंस्टाग्राम पे। शॉर्ट का भी प्लान नहीं करेंगे अभी, कोई भी शॉर्ट का प्लान नहीं है हमारा, ठीक है। अभी भी हमारा कोई शॉर्ट का प्लान नहीं है हमारे भाई। बाइंग साइड की देख रहे हैं अभी। चलो यार मिलते हैं आप सभी से कल दोपहर 2 बजे।
Buying flowed back into technology stocks, widening the gains. The situation surrounding the Elon case continues to move in a positive direction. President Trump's interview was reported last night and aired today. He stated that the conflict with Iran is nearly over, and that the stock market will surge when the war ends. However, he added that it is not over yet. In an interview with the New York Post yesterday, he mentioned that a second round of talks could take place in Pakistan within the next few days. Despite this appearance, he noted that message exchanges with the U.S. are continuing through Pakistan. He said that a high-level Pakistani delegation would soon have discussions regarding the matters discussed with the U.S. Yesterday, made since the outbreak of the war. George Sarabellos, a foreign exchange strategist at Deutsche Bank, stated that as the risk of war with Iran is increasingly likely to have peaked, the appropriate time to engage in short selling of the dollar is approaching. He explained that Treasury yields will fall due to expectations that the Fed under Kevin will implement accommodative monetary policy, and that the oil price shock may have hit U.S. consumers the hardest. Consequently, as the economy slows, the likelihood of the Fed lowering interest rates increases. What this means is that while European and Asian countries suffered greater damage, they prevented domestic gasoline price increases by implementing price caps. The U.S. Yes, both new orders and shipments increased. However, manufacturing indices from regional federal banks like this are highly volatile. The fact that the U.S. economy is not that bad was confirmed in the April beige released by the Fed at 2 p.m. this afternoon. It will be used as foundational data for the FMC meeting next week. Attention was focused on this news because it provides real-time information on the state of the U.S. economy following the outbreak of war with Iran in late February. Key points are as follows. While in some regions, they mentioned that companies were able to reduce spend, and that businesses are in a healthy state. There were two additional points regarding the Fed that Wall Street focused on today. First, President Trump stated in a Fox News interview that if Powell does not step down by next month, the day after his term expires, he will fire him. Had stated that he would not step down while the criminal investigation against him is underway, and the Department of Justice is currently investigating the Fed headquarters renovation. President Trump emphasized his determination to continue the investigation, stating that it is more than just a simple criminal inquiry, and that the cause must be revealed, whether it's
standing in Moscow itself. Imagine October 1941 and the fate of the Soviet Union and perhaps the entire world.
आपको एक बात बताऊं, मैंने 3 से 4 साल का लॉस कितने दिनों में निकाला है ट्रेडिंग से, पता है?